Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another new Christmas mould. It's very exciting. It is very big, this one, my hand for reference. I'm very excited about this one. I am, Snowflake obviously, thinking glitter. Look how cool that looks in the light. And then when that's under some Christmas lights and it's reflecting like that, that's gonna look so cool. I think I'm just going to dump this whole pack in. It came free with a bunch of mica powders that I brought. So, do we think the whole packet? I think the whole packet. There's not a lot in there. And then I want it to be super glittery. I'm going to, I've got some resin mixed up. And I've put a little bit in this cup here. I thought I'd put this in first and spread this around, and then I can add clear resin on top. Because otherwise I'll end up with too much resin, not enough resin or something. It'll be a disaster. So that's how I'm gonna do it. Oh. Right. Move you to there. Those bits are stuck inside the bag. There's not a lot left. That's cool. I'm happy with that. I'm just going to mix it up to like a glitter slurry. How cool that looks. So cool. Right, and then I think, I don't know how I'm going to do this evenly. Oh, I can move it around with the stick afterwards, can't I? Okay. Don't overthink it, just do it. I'm just going to pour in. I think if I just go up the main spine bits, it should spread out, hopefully. And give it a poke with the stick in a second. This is going to be insanely glittery. That's cool. Look, it's spreading itself around, that's so cool. Maybe if I just swap hands. Okay, so there isn't any around that bit. Not too bothered, because that's the very top where it's going to be hung from anyway. Got some in there now. Good. Now, I'm going to try and top it up with this clear resin. And now I'm in two minds whether I should just go ahead and pour this in. Or should I let this set and then... Should I let it set and then add this on later? But then that takes longer and I want to see it now. So no, I'm not going to wait. I'm just going to be super impatient me. And hopefully this doesn't... If I go slow... Look at that, perfect amount of resin as well. I'm chuffed. No, leave it alone, I'll mess it up. That looks really cool. I'm super happy. It looks really cool on camera as well. Amazing. So I will leave it for, I was going to say a day, but it'll probably be 2 or 3 days by the time I get around to demoulding it, and I will see you then, and then we can see the glittery wonderfulness of Christmas. Okay, it's been a few days. This is lovely and set. This looks so sparkly and cool. Look how cool that is in the lights. I don't know if you can see, how am I going to get this to pick up on camera? Some of the glitter has floated to what is the top now. Most of it is sunk to the bottom, which will be the face of our finished snowflake when we demold it. I'm so happy with this. It looks really, really cool. So glittery. Look at that. Wow. Okay. Let's get demoulding now. How easy is this one going to be to get out of its mould? Okay, relatively easy. Once you've got it started, yeah, it's just peeling away. That's great. Middle out. This is so cool. I wonder if the effect is going to change at all when I flip it over. I think maybe it will because there's more glitter, but we'll see. Pop that back round. Mould is nice and clean, just got a little bit of overflow from me. Yeah, nice and clean, great, I'm happy with that. Right, I'm going to put a white background down, I'll be back in a second. Okay, let's just go ahead and flip this over. That is so, so cool. Wow. Wow. It's like a light show in itself. Okay, glitter's my new obsession for 100%. Wow. Oh, I can't get over that. That's so cool. So cool. Let me know what you think in the comments below. How else would you do that with glitter? Maybe I could try glitter with a coloured resin. Don't know, I'm going to have to think about that, but definitely more snowflakes. I need more on my tree now. This is absolutely beautiful. I love it. Okay. Well, let me know what you think in the comments below. Drop me a like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you want to see videos coming up. I'll pop some pictures at the end. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.